Hi, my name is Jacqueline. I'm a part of the Loom support team, and in this video, I'm going to show you how to use Loom to record a presentation that you can then share with your students. To start, we're going to show you how to record in-browser presentation tools such as Google Slide, Prezi, or anything in browser. For these tools, I would suggest using the Chrome extension, which is what I'm recording with right now. First, you'll want to pull up your presentation and then begin your recording by clicking on the Chrome extension in the browser bar. Once you are recording, you can go ahead and launch your presentation. You'll then be able to present just as if you were doing so in person. Some tips and tricks to mention here is with the camera bubble, know you can click and drag it if you ever need to move it to show certain information on a slide. When you hover over the camera bubble as well, you do have the option to close it to show the full screen, and then by clicking the camera in the bottom left-hand corner, you can then select your camera and reopen. Once you're done with your presentation, you can click this green check mark to end the recording. If you're going to be recording in an application tool such as PowerPoint or Keynote, you'll be able to do so by opening up our desktop app. The reason I suggest using the desktop app for these is you won't be able to record screen and cam on an outside application using the Chrome extension. Once you go to launch the desktop app, you have options to do screen and cam, which is what we're doing right now, or screen only. You can also choose to do full screen, which will give the viewer the ability to see your entire screen. That way, if you need to go back and forth in the presentation, from the presentation to maybe a different application or tool, you can do so. If you want to really draw the focus just to the presentation, I would suggest doing window. That is only going to record the window of the presentation application to really keep the attention on the presentation itself. Once you finish your presentation, you'll click this box on the left-hand side, and then from there, you will have the browser open up to a screen like this. This is going to give you the video ready to share to your students. From here, you can copy and share this link with your students, and they will be able to view it. A few things you can do on here is you can change the name of the presentation just by clicking in this section and typing. You will be able to trim should you have any mistakes or just extra beginning or end on the video that you need to take out. You're able to trim from this page. You can also edit the settings such as disabling comments, disabling the emojis, disabling the ability for your students to download. If you want those to be options, they will default on if you haven't made any changes. Once you share this link with your students, they will be brought to a page that looks like this. They will not have all of the editing options that you have for the video. They will simply have the ability to view it. And then if you left them the option to leave comments or download, they'll have the option to do so here as well. I hope this has been helpful, and I hope you have a great time recording your presentations with Loom.